Hello students, I am Akanksha and this is my channel Science Par Charcha, in which we will study about some of the very basic science concepts that are in our NCERT books, and I hope you all are as excited as I am to learn new things. So now we will begin with our today's class.
Morning class. So today the topic for our class is organ specific disease manifestation. I know it is a quite big topic, but it is a very easy topic. And why is it easy? We will understand in this lecture, right? Okay, so now first we will try to understand what this topic means. Organ specific disease manifestation. This topic means is like there are some diseases that attack certain organs, like they're organ specific, right? So yes, this topic talks about what are those diseases which affects a particular kind of organ, or we can say a specific organ. So now before moving on ahead, I will put my this presentation on slideshow mode, right? Okay, so now yes. Okay, we will start with our today's class. Then, yes. So now talking about organ specific manifestations, here there are some important points and we will see like how these disease, like this organ specific manifestation, these are caused, right? So they are caused by microorganisms. Like these are the microorganisms are like the pathogens harmful for our body, microscopic organisms. These microorganisms, they enter our body, and then these microorganisms, they travel to a specific organ. Like they can either travel to the liver, they can either travel to the lungs, the stomach, to the intestines. So yes, so first these microorganisms, they enter our body, and then these microorganisms travel to a specific organ, because these diseases are caused in certain specific organs. So yes, they travel to certain specific organ, and then they multiply, and then after multiplying, they are causing a disease, a particular disease. So yes, this was all about how these organ specific manifestations are caused in our body, like how these organ specific diseases are caused in our body. So we will now see some examples of this disease. Like first example is this tuberculosis. This is a disease which is caused by a microorganism. This microorganism is mycobacterium. Okay, and we will later see like which organ it is affecting. And then talking about second disease, that is typhoid, and it is caused by the microorganism salmonella. So yes, this was all about organ specific manifestations and the examples of these diseases. So now moving on ahead, we will see about these diseases. So these are the pictures. First picture is denoting the tuberculosis disease, right? In this tuberculosis disease, these here you can see these are the microorganism mycobacterium. It enters the human body through either the mouth or either the nose, and then they go towards the lungs of a human being, and then they affect these lungs. Like we are constantly coughing, and like this disease is a very serious disease, and if it affects our lungs, so the organ that is being affected in tuberculosis is lungs. So this is why it is known as the organ specific manifestations, right? So now the second example is typhoid fever or the typhoid. And the typhoid was caused by salmonella, right? The bacteria called salmonella. So what happens in this typhoid is we take, like here we can see this salmonella enters our body through the contaminated water, and then this contaminated water enters to our intestine, causing ulcers. Like there are rashes inside, like inside our intestines and stomachs, and there are also rashes on the body. And then there is the enlarged liver and spleen. The liver and the spleen gets enlarged, or they get big, or they get swollen. So these are the symptoms of typhoid fever. Okay, and also there is white coating on tongue, right? So this is also an example, like these are the symptoms of the typhoid fever. So yes, these two disease, tuberculosis and typhoid fever, they come under the organ specific disease manifestations, right? So yes, I think you are now clear with the concept of what these organ specific disease manifestations are. So now I will be ending my class here. Thank you for watching. And please like my video and comment down below if you have any doubts regarding the video or the concept. I will clear it. And also share this video with your friends and families, and subscribe to my channel and help my channel grow. Okay, thank you and bye.